Hi again, we are back with the second Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 1 in the third column, a 1 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. Now, can we use, let me see, can we use other digit? No. A 6 in this column, a 6 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I see here the 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. The 4 and the 9 are missing as a pair. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. We have a 2 in this column. A 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 5 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes and there. 2 boxes left in this first column, the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left for this column for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a pair. I see, because the 3 and the 4 are in this row. The 3 and the 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 and the 4 should be here as a pair, 3 and a 4. I mark this because otherwise it will take long for the pairs if you cannot see them right away. So I see also a here pair, 8 and a 2 in this row, 8 and a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for here, the 8 and the 2. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there in the middle column. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then, how about the 4, 3, 3. Let's see. Yes, I see here in this big square, one of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in those two boxes, a 3 there, so no 3 in this box, same like the 2. So we have a pair here, the 2 and the 3, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, and the 2 and the 3, there. That means 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. How about the other 3 numbers? The 4 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be here. The 4 and the 9 are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. The other 2 boxes, 6 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row, because I know these 2 numbers are the 3 and the 4, so this should be the 7. 8. 2 boxes left in this row for the number 7 and 5, I believe. 7 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 5. Same like here. The 7 and the 5 are left. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6 is left. Yes, 6 is left. 6, 4, and need a 9. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Here supposed to be the 9. 7 and 2 numbers left in the middle row. The missing numbers 7 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 there, so this cannot be the 7. This should be the 7. And we have here 2 numbers, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 there, so this should be the 5. This should be the 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Here we have the 3 and a 4. Okay. How about these 3 numbers? The 3, the 4, and the 6. 3, 4, and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, and 4. How about this, the 2, 3, and the 5. No. These two numbers, the 8 and the 5. Can I fill this? Yes, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. This should be the 2 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. How about these three numbers? The 6, the 2, and the 8. I see here the 2 and the 8. So no 2 and the 8 in this box. This should be the 6. One box, one digit left for the 6. The 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 3. This should be the 2. One box left in this row for the number 3. One box left in this big square for the number 4. One box left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, the 3 is missing here. Yes. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. I've told you, this Sudoku with 2 stars, it's faster than with the 1 star. So, very strange. Anyway, do you think it's a great puzzle? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 3 stars. So, bye-bye for now.